Alright, YouTube, I'm back. I'm still at ZEF'S. Right now, I ordered the fish and chip and fries. So, it's looking pretty good. I know it's extra hot. I'm scared to bite into it. And I ordered truffle fries too. And once again, I want to say, I don't own the rights to the music. Subscribe, hit that like button.
Everything okay?
And let's see.
Oh yeah, we do. I'll be right back.
It's crazy because I don't even know how to flip my camera around. But check it out. Check it out. This is the plate. It's the plate. And then this is the truffle fries. All right, I'm gonna try one of the truffle fries first. So check it out. It's not bad. It's pretty good. The taste is not like overpowering, so it's like it's just right. Alright, try the fish. So time to pick it up. Ooh, it's smoking. It's smoking. You see. Alright, for me, the fish is a little salty, on the salty side. Could have fried it a little harder. Just it's soft under the bottom or something. So, alright, out of 10, I'm gonna have to give the fish, I'm gonna have to give it a 5. But the truffle fries, I'm gonna get those a 9. They're pretty good. So, you see, I like coleslaw, so let me see what this coleslaw hitting on. Coleslaw just, it's not that sweet. It's okay. I'm gonna get that a 5 too. It ain't like that GFS that come in the carton coleslaw. But so far ZEF'S, they got some decent food. I'm gonna come back, you know what I'm saying, try something else that's on the menu, some different stuff. We got a strawberry lemonade too. Now that hit different. That hit different. That's good. You get that a 10. Nice, sweet. It ain't too sweet. It's just right. So if you're in Detroit, man, St. Clair Shores, try ZEF'S. Hit that like button, subscribe. Try to come with more food reviews. And I'm signing out for the next food review. Catch you later, YouTube.